This is the insane Adventure King's 24-inch laser light bar. Using the latest groundbreaking technology, it's capable of an incredible 1 lux at 914 meters and puts out a huge 9,324 lumens. That's more than some pairs of driving lights. Engineered around Adventure King's legendary laser module and fitted with OSRAM LEDs, this light bar offers both spot and spread, so it'll suit just about every driving situation. Built with a tough alloy housing and featuring a PMMA lens, which is the same material used in riot vehicle windows and deep sea submarines, you know it's tough enough to take on everything you can throw at it. It's fitted with a Deutsch plug, so it's a massive upgrade over your old light bar, and it plugs into an Adventure King's wiring harness, so it's a quick and easy new install. It works with both 12 and 24 volt for 4 drives and trucks, and comes with end brackets and sliding center mounted brackets, so it's easy to mount anywhere. This is the latest evolution light bar from Adventure King's, and with a 2-year warranty and revolutionary technology, this really is an Aussie first. The insane Adventure King's 24-inch laser light bar is available now and ready to take your lighting setup to the next level.